Hello friends, I am Dolundhar and welcome to my channel Simple Learning. From the thumbnail you are well aware that today we are going to learn how to write an informal or personal letter. So watch the video carefully till the end. At the end of the video you will be able to understand what is a letter, what type of letter is called an informal or a personal letter, the format of an informal or a personal letter, names of each and every part of a letter and how to write them correctly and nicely, and overall how to compose an informal or personal letter. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe my channel Simple Learning and click on the bell icon placed next to it so that you never miss out my videos and get a notification whenever I upload any video. So let's get started. At first, we shall have a brief introduction about letter writing. So what are letters? Letters are written messages from one person to another. The art of letter writing is very old. Traces of these letters have been found in ancient Persia, India, Greece, Egypt, and Rome. Letters are primarily divided into two categories: formal and informal. And today we are going to learn about informal or personal letters. What is an informal or personal letter? An informal or personal letter is a letter that we write to a family member, a close relative, or a friend. We are to remember that letters must be written carefully so that the people reading them can be impressed. So to write good letters, we have to learn certain rules. The very first thing we are to learn is the format or layout of an informal letter. It has usually 8 parts. These are: number 1, heading; number 2, date; number 3, salutation; number 4, body of the letter; number 5, complimentary clause; number 6, signature; number 7, postscript; number 8, envelope or superscription. Now we will learn each of the parts in detail. To write letters, we have to maintain some formalities. We have to write parts of a letter in right places. For this, we have to know about the format of a personal or informal letter. There are 8 parts in such letters. So let's start. The first point is address of the sender. This is written on the right hand top corner of the letter. Addresses generally follow the rule of smallest first. That is, at first house number, then street, then town, like this. The address ends with pin code. That is, postal index number. Do not write your name in the address part. Second point is date. Dates are written just below the address in letters. Avoid writing dates in numbers only. Write the name of the month in words. It can be written in different ways. Number 3, salutation or addressing the sendee, or you can call it greeting. Salutation is written on left hand top corner below the line in which the date is written. Always put a comma after salutation and leave an empty line. In case of close relationship, Or for people we know well, we write my dear. And in case of very close relationship or for those you know very well, you write dearest or my dearest like this. The fourth point is the body of the letter. The body of the letter is the main written portion of a letter. Begin the body about 2 lines below the salutation. It contains the message you want to convey. Next point is subscription or complimentary clause. Subscription is generally written in the right hand bottom corner. For friends and close relatives, we write yours lovingly or your loving son, daughter, friend, etc., etc., or yours affectionately. And for very close friends, we write yours ever. Okay. So the next point is signature. This is our 6th point. In personal or informal letters, generally first name is written and surname is dropped. Point number 7, that is postscript. A sentence or a short paragraph is written at the end of a letter after the signature, containing an afterthought or additional information. It is introduced by the letter PS, P. S. A short form of Latin postscriptum. It means written afterwards. The last point and the 8th point is envelope or superscription. The address of the sendee, that means to whom we are sending the letter, is written on the envelope. It contains name, flat number or house number, street, etc., or village, then post office, district, etc., and at last the PIN code number. Finally, a stamp is put in the upper right hand corner of the envelope. The stamp is a way of paying for sending the letter to another place. Use clear and neat handwriting while writing name and address on the envelope. Use capital letters, commas and full stops wherever necessary. And finally, don't forget to seal the envelope before posting it. So this is the format or layout of a personal or informal letter. Now we have come to the end of the video and there's a quiz related to today's episode. Please write your answer in the comment box. The question is, which day is celebrated as World Letter Writing Day to celebrate and acknowledge handwritten letters and connections? If you like this video, like and comment, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.